Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my March, is that right? March Boxycharm by Ipsy that they sent me. So this was sent SPR, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this my way. So my Boxycharm by Ipsy for March. Yeah, so what I like to do in these in these videos is I go ahead and open up the boxes, try out the goodies inside, so I can share some kind of like quick information and little mini reviews with you guys on the products. So I've got several of them on my face, and there are some really good things in here. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do these kind of videos, favorites, new at the drugstore reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about March Boxycharm by Ipsy, so let's get to it. Let me give you a little look inside. So there you go. This is going to be very informal. I'm going to try, I have limited time to film, so we're just, which are my videos ever formal? We're just hanging out together and having fun and chatting about makeup, skincare, just all the fun things. Okay, so first off, I got the Dermalactives Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. I looked this up on their website and it is $179.99. So this is a very pricey skincare item. It says lifts and firms the skin around the eyes, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, provides intense hydration. Let's see. Designed to lift, firm, and rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eyes. Addresses the common signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. Oh, even sagging, that's nice. That makes sense, that it's collagen. While providing intense hydration to ensure your eye area remains smooth, supple, and youthful. And then it kind of goes into more of the formula, so you can look that up if you want more info about it. But beautiful packaging on it. At first I was trying to like screw off the top. No, it's just you pop the top off. And then it's got a little pump. Since it's so pricey, I like don't want to waste any of this, but I did try this on my under eyes last night. This is more of a gel. Doesn't it say gel? No, it doesn't say gel, but it is more of like a serum gel kind of a formula to it. So it's not a rich emollient eye cream. It did feel very nice on my under eyes, didn't cause any irritation, didn't make my eyes water or anything, but I probably would pair this with a more hydrating under eye cream. I don't use like super thick creams under my eyes, but I do like kind of some kind of a creamy texture on my under eyes. So I would probably pair this with something, but this does seem very nice. And I mean, wow that this was in here, because this is a pricey item, but this seems nice. Okay, next up, I was so excited to see this because I have never tried this. I have some info pulled up on it somewhere. Okay, so this is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, SPF 40, broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF 40 PA+++. And this is, I love the yellow with the blue. It's just cute. It's just like happy and fun. I love the yellow. When I look up info on this, the only one I can find on their website says SPF 50. So I assume that they just upped the SPF and like upgraded the formula. So this is the 41. So I don't want to read wrong information to you guys about it, but because this one says SPF 40. But anyway, Unseen Sunscreen says for all skin types, natural finish, water and sweat resistant, 40 minutes, non-comedogenic. And looking at it, I believe this is, don't quote me on this, but I think it's a chemical sunscreen because I usually use a mineral and I think that usually says like zinc oxide. So this says, I can't read those words. Averbenzone, octocrylene. Anyway, there's 4 different things listed. So I tried this on this area of my face and then I used my regular mineral sunscreen on my forehead. I will probably still stick with my mineral sunscreen, but this was very nice. Like it feels like a primer or something. Like it's a clear, kind of a formula to it and very sort of gel-like, and rubbing this into my skin, this feels like a primer. So it's a really nice formula. My makeup applied really nicely over the top, like it didn't mess with my foundation in any way. So this is nice. Like if you like these kind of sunscreens, this one played very nicely with makeup and seems like a good formula. So that's exciting. I was really excited to get to try that. Okay. Oh, what next? I'm so excited about all these things. It's a hard thing to say which of these next three products is my favorite because I really love all three of them. But I like that sunscreen and I like I like this whole box. Anyway, okay, let's talk about this. Drunk Elephant, this is the Oblus Rosy Drops. It says Fortify and Blush. Omega fatty acids, sapwood bark, pH 5.5. I don't know if it says a color, so I don't know if it just has the one color. I don't know. This is what it looks like though. This is what my box looks like. And I tried this today. I have it on my cheeks, but then I have a blush on top of it. I have a lot of blush on. I'm looking and I'm realizing this seems to happen. Like I'm in the bathroom, I'm doing my makeup, and then I come in here and I go, oh, there's a lot of makeup on my face, and I didn't even realize. Look how beautiful this is. It blends beautifully into the skin. It's just this gorgeous, kind of glowy, almost like a golden sheen to it, kind of peachy, pinky peach, I would say. Pinky peach. I would say overall it's a peach, but it has like a little bit of pinkiness to it, and then it's got that gorgeous glow. This looks beautiful on the skin. It blended really nicely. What I did, it's this kind of packaging. I just took a brush and like put a little bit on the brush and then kind of tapped it on my cheeks, and it worked great that way. So I'm super excited about this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I was so excited to see this in here. Look at this cute palette. I love it. This is a Laura Geller, Laura's Essentials, Candy Cravings. That's so cute. 12 multi-finish eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, 1 blush. I absolutely love this box. This is adorable. There's what it looks like. I love that just like, it's so happy and cutesy and the colors are beautiful. This is what it looks like. It's nice and thin, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Love that. Here's what it looks like. I do have this on my eyes right now and my cheeks. I have the blush on over the little drops. A little bit of this as my cheek highlighter. Beautiful. I have mainly this as my blending shade, like my crease shade. I have a tiny bit of this in my outer corner. These two on my lid. This one kind of in the, just the barely outer bottom corner of my eye. And then I have this. I used it with some setting spray as my liner. And then I do have just a tiny bit of pencil liner with it, but mostly this is my liner. Let me give you some quick swatches on this. Like I said, this is a quick informal video. Look how beautiful. So pretty. I'm trying to think, what did I just swatch? Let me not swatch things twice by accident. Oh, that one is so cute. And this beautiful kind of purpley taupey shade. That's stunning. I'm so excited about this. And what I like about this is the formula is, like in swatches here, they look pretty intense, but on the eyes, they're not over the top. In the most beautiful, wearable, workable, everyday, you know, everyday makeup kind of formula that you just don't have to like worry about it getting out of control, but you can build it up if you want more intensity. It's just beautiful. This is the blush and that's the highlighter. Gorgeous. The blush like blended beautifully. It's nicely pigmented. The highlighter, I will say that, well, the highlighter like almost, no. I was going to say it almost looked like it had a little bit of shimmer in it, but no. Well, yes, actually. I do think it has some very tiny micro shimmer, but in the most beautiful way. I love that. Like it's not accentuating texture. It's just a beautiful palette. I'm so excited about this. I love the color story. The formula is great. Like I said, just a good, wearable, usable, everyday makeup kind of formula. It's just gorgeous. So I'm super excited about that. Love that. And then last up, I got the Verb. Very excited about this too. Fullness, light hold, weightless texture. This is the Volume Dry Texture Spray. I have wanted to try this, and I don't think I ever have. I was trying to think about it. I don't think I have. Love it. Love the formula of it. I think it definitely gave great texture and volume to my hair. I could have even used more of it, and I think gotten more of that. I did pair it with my normal like oil serum that I use on my hair. So it was even bigger before I used that. So like I said, I could apply more of this and have even more volume and texture to my hair. Very, very nice. Love the cute packaging. The only thing about it is I don't love the scent. I've tried, I think it's the Ghost Oil from Verb. Wasn't a fan of the scent of that either. I think I got that in maybe a Boxycharm or an Ipsy. Love the formula of it, but didn't love the scent. Same with this. That's the one thing I would change about it. I like this formula enough that I would definitely still keep using it, but and I don't know how to describe the scent, but I usually like kind of either fresh or fruity kind of scents. This one, I don't know, oh, just banged myself with it. This one's almost like clean, or like, I don't want to say laundry, but that sort of like clean scent to it. It's not a bad scent, it's just not my favorite scent. So anyway, that's a side note to it, but love the formula of it. I will definitely keep using it. This is definitely a standout favorite from the box. Okay, so those are all the goodies in here. This was such a great box. I mean, even when I first opened this and was looking through it before I tried everything, I'm like, I think this is one of the best boxes I've ever received. Like, this is a really, really good one. After trying everything, still up there. Still very high as one of my favorite boxes I've ever gotten, because I love this. This is a super standout favorite. This is a super standout favorite, and this is a super standout favorite. Like, these are the things I will reach for the most, that, you know, I think I'll just get the most use out of from this box. So anyway, if you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. I would love to hear what you got or what you're excited to get. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!